Hello everyone, friends. At the quarry today I will show you the best settings for recording in the OBS. This video will be aimed at the highest quality settings, that is, so that the videos come out without soap, without any artifacts and delays. Here we go to the settings respectively, and immediately we are greeted by the settings menu, which we will need only 3 tabs, namely the advanced ones. Here we have only one option. We need to set a high priority. That's a must because otherwise Windows will not allocate the necessary resources for writing and for the OBS in general. Here's the next video. Here, depending on what you're shooting, yes, you choose the screen extension first, but I have full HD, so it costs 1920 for 10. For 80, you can choose 2 or 4Ks depending on the power of your device. I have full HD and of course the number of frames per second. I have 30 because I don't have any dynamics in the video in general. You can put 60 frames. Yes, it will be optimally 60 frames in general. And then of course there is the way out. Exit. Here we select advanced settings and recording. Here we have a recording, choose the MP4 format and with a video encoder. If NVIDIA allows you to set NVIDIA H264 to be the best codec, it is optimized as much as possible for these video cards. If you don't have one, then just don't touch the H264 audio encoder, you don't need anything. Here we choose the salmon method. Be sure to be in the plan. Buffering your video, choose the LANSOC method. It's in general that this setting is entirely responsible for how much soap you'll have in your recording. Because if you're here, for example, 3 linear or the bilinear option is selected, yes, the buffering method, then there will be some kind of action on the screen. You can even move just a window like this and soap will already be created because it will not have time to process this whole thing. Well, here you choose an extension that corresponds to your extension. Yes, full HD. In my case, at the same time, if you don't have 2K monitors, but you want to shoot in 2K, it is enough to select output resolution here. Yeah, that is outputs, output extensions. To choose from here, just 2Ks or enter manually then, and here we put 2Ks. Here we set the same settings as mine. These are the encoder settings. These are very high settings in general. If you have a weak device, you can divide these values by 2 and set them that way. The fact is that if you have, for example, 2K extensions and it is soapy, then it is better to put full HD here and put the encoder settings above. Thus, there will be less soap with a seemingly smaller expansion. There should be more soap, but vice versa. That's how you leave it. That's it. And in general, that's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Good life to all. Good luck to everyone. Bye, everyone.